Alright, welcome back to Mouse Tech. In this video I'm going to be directing you on how you can be setting up Air Tunnel VPN application in all countries and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend, and please help me and like this video so that it can be moving as we wish. I'm going to start up the tutorial by opening the Google Play Store, and I download the VPN application I was talking about. I was talking about a certain VPN application called Air Tunnel VPN. So make sure to install this VPN application if you haven't yet installed. The logo will be looking like that, and then it will be coming from Get Digital Software Development Services. After installing it, ensure to open the VPN application. Sorry, that is an advert. And after opening that VPN application, they request you to join their Telegram channel. But before joining their Telegram channel, our VPN is also provided for educational and informational purposes, including promoting awareness of the online privacy, security best practices, and internet usage. It is not intended to encourage or facilitate illegal activities. So I'm going to be placing later. After placing later, I'll be coming right here where we have those three dashes, and I'll come right here where you have the online update, and then I'm going to update the servers. I'm going to come, if they tell me no update, I'll be coming here where we have the auto select server, and then I'll keep it auto select. Then I'll be coming here where we have the network, Wi-Fi and data, and then I will choose, I'm going to come here where we have all networks, and then I'm going to be searching UDP. Then I choose that server, then I'll be connecting. As you see, it has connected successfully. So don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. Remain Mouse Tech.